Lithium batteries are everywhere in modern life. They power electric vehicles, energy storage systems, power tools, and consumer electronics. Common types include 18650 and 14,500 cylindrical batteries, 21,700 power tool batteries, prismatic EV battery packs, pouch batteries, and energy storage battery modules. As these batteries reach the end of their life, they become hazardous waste. Improper disposal can cause fire risks, heavy metal pollution, and long-term environmental damage. Inside every lithium battery are complex materials, lithium compounds, copper, aluminum, organic electrolytes, plastics, and separators. During recycling, one of the most valuable outputs is black mass, also called black powder. Black mass mainly consists of lithium, cobalt, nickel, manganese, and graphite. It comes from the crushed internal electrode materials of lithium-ion batteries. This material is highly valuable, but also highly contaminated and chemically unstable if not treated correctly. That is why lithium battery recycling is difficult. Batteries contain flammable electrolytes, toxic gases, and unstable chemical structures. Mechanical crushing alone can lead to fires, explosions, and environmental risks. Safe recycling requires controlled processing, not simple dismantling. Lithium batteries are widely used in electric vehicles, power tools, energy storage systems, consumer electronics, and the number of retired batteries is increasing rapidly every year. Recycling them is not optional, it is necessary. At Recycle Group, we developed this system specifically for waste lithium-ion battery recycling. Our process uses high-temperature carbonization treatment to safely convert organic materials, separators, and harmful components into stable carbonized substances. The system features a fully enclosed high-temperature furnace, automatic feeding system, advanced gas purification and emission control. This ensures the entire process is safe, stable, and environmentally compliant. After treatment, valuable materials are recovered, including steel battery casings, copper, aluminum, and high-quality black mass. These materials can be reused in downstream refining and manufacturing. Recycling lithium batteries is not just about waste treatment. It is about resource recovery, environmental protection, and future sustainability. That is why we built this system. And that is why professional lithium battery recycling equipment is essential.